get slipped over the legs. It's going to rest on the back kind of like that. And these are like the loops on like your school backpack, and they just kind of slip over his legs like they would over your arms. Do we have a pencil or a probe or anything around?
Pencil.
Okay.
Let's see if
So it has to go underneath the wings and over the tail. Yeah, I think when we had to get that robin out of the net, we put it somewhere, or I probably put it somewhere that made sense at the time, but not in retrospect.
Would the shovel tool help?
What's the, like the tool for spooning on
The color bands?
probably not. I think a pencil was working better than that, but it was a good idea. Oh, I'm sorry.
Did she get big?
I did.
Yeah.
I checked it.
By the
Not
bird?
that bad.
No, the mosquitoes. So now I'm just going to try to, I think it's mostly on, I'm just going to try to rearrange its feathers so they're not all kind of around the tag in a weird way, sticking up. So I'm just checking to make sure the loops actually kind of went in this crease around his hip. All right, Jeffrey, you want to check this to make sure the tag looks good to you too? Oh, and we need a camera for this.
Did it just lose another tail feather?
Oh, I did.
Yeah, it's on the floor.
Oh, sampling.
It's very tight on there.
So where is it on there? So right in between? Oh, I see it. The small little pink thing.